Today we're going to cook some Tanzanian food, but first we have to go to the market. Come on.
We are the Culture Trotters!
In late February, we left the States with nothing more than carry-on to become a full-time world-traveling family. 3 weeks in, COVID-19 shut down the world and changed everything.
We had quite the adventure writing things out in Mexico. After 7 months, we are finally ready for the next chapter. Click that subscribe button and join us as we continue our journey around the world and head across the ocean to the continent of Africa. In the words of Helen Keller, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
This is a seasonal fruit called weta. We were lucky to be in Moshi at the right time of year to try it. Our friend Nima walked us around the market to collect the things we needed for lunch and dinner. We got some okra and some eggplant. This is lemongrass. You can make tea with it. We sell lots of different kinds of fish. Some of it is good, but some of it is disgusting. We need garlic and ginger.
Garlic. This is a spice.
Yeah. There's lots of different kinds of grains and so many bananas. We needed some peas, carrots, cilantro, and tomatoes. After we collected everything we needed, we carried the bags home on our heads, just like the ladies in Tanzania do. Now it's time to start cooking. Nima's mom shows us how to make degal and ugali. This is a very common Tanzanian dish. First, she chops the green pepper and grinds the tomatoes. Then she chops some carrots. Alejandro and I helped her peel the garlic till it's white. She prepared the cilantro. While the onions sautéed in the butter, she prepared the fish. I love to eat the fish with salt. They are so good.
Like this.
She adds the fish to the butter and onion.
Crush it up. You gotta crush it up. Pound it.
Alejandra and I both tried to crush the garlic, but she was much better at it. Then she added the rest of the ingredients and some coconut cream. My mom loves coconut cream.
Nice. Fingers.
For a second dish, she sautéed some eggplant and okra with butter, onions, and garlic. She added soy sauce and carrots. Now it's time to make the ugali. Ugali is the national dish of Tanzania. It's made from corn flour and water. Alejandra loves it, but I think it's kind of bland. Add the flour to the hot water and stir until it gets thicker and thicker and thicker until it's like Play-Doh. Voila! Lunch is done.
And we have our eggplant and our little fish.
The traditional way to eat ugali is with your hands, which Alejandra loves. For dinner, we're going to make my favorite, chapatti. First, you mix 1 egg into wheat flour and mix by hand. Add some whole milk and keep mixing. Most people use oil, but our secret ingredient is butter. After you're done kneading the dough, make small balls out of it. The trick to good chapati is lots of layers. We learned this technique.
Mafuta tunayongeza kutoka
I helped make the chapati too. We repeated this step twice to make lots of layers.
Kuonyesha Waafrika na sisi tunawezea vitu. Hawa watoto sio waliingia na mabimbi.
Now it's time to fry the chapati in butter. It takes a while when you can only make one at a time, but eventually we get them all done.
Green beans.
What do we have here, Arabella?
Chapati and some random vegetables. It was totally worth the wait. Alejandro gobbled it up like a lion. I think you could go live with the lions.
You good, Alana? You love chapati?
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you liked this video. To make sure you see our next adventures, click that subscribe button. And look for us on Instagram /CultureTrotters. Kwaheri, see you next time.